And boom, all features have been added successfully. We have a little joystick here. So let me test this joystick. Guys, look at this. What's up guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I got Spoofer settings for my Pokemon Go game. Absolutely free, safe and online guys, so let's get started. Go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. Type in search Pokemon Go and you will find the online tool. Click there guys and I will have to enter our trainer code. So let me paste my here, let me click continue and let's see the next step. As you can see, trainer code is successfully connected. So the next step is to select our Spoofer package. So I will go with the full edition. Let me click inject Spoofer and let's wait a little bit. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, and believe me, this is the best working method for Pokemon Go Spoofer. Okay, just scroll down and click verify now and let's wait a little bit. And now guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to allow to free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and it will start downloading from the official publish with the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download this, just play and earn money and pure VPN. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task. And I got this status completed, success, redirecting almost done. So let's wait for this redirecting guys and let's see the final step. Okay guys, injection successful, that's it. If you have this message, so let me open my Pokemon Go game and let's test, does it actually work? So let's see guys. And guys, look at this, I am now in the game and we have this little star and boom, all features have been added successfully. We have a little joystick here. So let me test this joystick. Guys, look at this. This is working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.